Let's jump right into this explainer. We're breaking down the absolute basics of trading your money.
When you spend a buck, what's actually happening? What gives that tiny piece of paper its power?
Here's the wild truth, guys. Currency isn't real. It's totally just a social construct we all believe in. A dollar buys stuff, but a stick doesn't. Why? Because society collectively agrees that dollar holds value.
It's all about perception. That's literally why Gucci can charge 100 times more than Target.
Now, trading comes with friction, like taxes, which basically pay for our roads, schools, and infrastructure.
The government takes a slice of everything you make, spend, and invest, plus forced retirement savings. Then there's inflation. It's that slow, annoying erosion making your $5 bill buy less over time. This happens when demand beats supply. Imagine 2,000 people fighting over 1,000 TVs. If inflation spikes, interest rates go up. That can trigger a recession, a painful but temporary reset. Hey, banks trade too. Using fractional reserve banking, they actually lend out your deposited cash as middlemen. And they charge rent for it. Simple interest is a flat fee, but compound interest literally clones money. To get loans, lenders check your credit score. It's a shadowy algorithm measuring your trading trust. Payment history is the biggest slice here. Honestly, just pay on time and you win the game. So, how do we fight inflation? By investing. Stop trading time and let your money work for you. These are your main trading instruments, everything from tiny company slices to actual physical real estate. Yeah, markets go up and down, but watching inflation quietly steal your future value, that's the real danger. True wealth isn't built overnight. It takes decades of compound growth to turn modest investments into fortunes. You've only got so much time, so will you let it work for you or against you?